Hey guys, welcome back to A Spoonful of Organization. My name is Hayden Welsh, and today I'm going to take you through my dorm room, my sophomore year of college. This dorm room is a little bit different than most dorm rooms here at Stevenson University because I'm an RA, I have a single, and I only have one roommate, so I'm not sharing it with a whole bunch of other people. So, without further ado, I'm going to show you how I've organized everything, and also I don't have a lot of laundry I don't have a lot of clothes in drawers because I need to do laundry, so got a lot to do. But I'll show you how I've designed the room and different things along the way. So if you want to keep watching this video, keep on watching. All right, so here we are in my dorm room. Now I am an RA in the freshman area, so, and an RA means resident assistant, so I'm the one who makes sure everything on the floor is going well and everyone's having a good time and enjoying college life. So we're in the entryway, but I'm going to take you into the bathroom first. And so here I am. But anyways, this is my side, and then that's my roommate's sink. So this is just where I keep my paper towels. I'm a swimmer, so my skin dries out very easily. Just my sponge and dish soap, hand soap, and my towel. And then under the sink, which is kind of dark, I just keep my dishes and my cups and water bottles. And then this is like my hair combs and hair dryer, toothbrush, deodorant, toothpaste, my hair products, and my shaving equipment. So that's what I keep there. In here is the bathroom. And then this is the shower room. All right, so this here is the microwave in fridge area in the entryway. So you walk in, I'm gonna try not to be so fast. This is the front door where you walk in. And you just have this little foyer area where you have the fridge and freezer. So we just have some food, the microwave, and the fridge with more food. And then I just have my mop. Oh, and on top of it, I just have my coffee maker, and this is just emergency procedures. So here we are in the actual room. So this is my dorm room for 2021. So I'll show you along the way what everything is. So when you walk in the door, first thing you are greeted with, or you see, is my desk. And just on top, I have some candles, a little creamer, a picture, air freshener. This is sugar, because I don't like packets of sugar. I just like to put a half a cup of sugar in my tea or whatever. Not a little cup of tea, but a big thing. And just decorations. This is where I keep my desserts, my laptop, stapler, and lots of school supplies. This just keeps all my mask, keys, wallet, all that good stuff. Calculators, journals, head massager pens that I need quickly. In the desk drawers, I have glue sticks, my highlighters, odds and ends, supplies, tape measure, mini stapler, binder clips, air freshener, Post-its, mechanical pencils, that kind of stuff. In this drawer, we have my utensils and Splenda. I don't really ever use this, but if someone does come and they want tea or something, that is an option for them. And then in here, more water bottles, journals, and my label maker. Now this here is the bed and what I have on the wall. So I just have red, white, and blue bedding. I always wanted red, white, and blue bedding. I had this my freshman year, and I really like it. Just a quilt comforter. Not a comforter, but a quilt bedding. These pillows did not come with it. I bought them separately because I knew they would go well with this kind of look. So, yeah, and then I just have white sheets from Target. Now, these beds are twin extra large. That means the beds are bigger or longer. So make sure you keep in that into account. If you are going into a dorm room, most beds will be twin extra large. Over here, I just have a lantern. Oh, and all the candles in here are fake. They're the battery operated flameless ones. This chair came from Goodwill. It was only $11. I just have here a basket of mints, a lamp, and a Bible. Then in this drawer is where I keep my belts and my air freshener cup things and my colognes. Here is where I keep binders and textbooks and that kind of stuff. On the windowsill, I just have some extra decorations, and that's the view outside. And then this is my chest of drawers. So this is like socks and underwear, which I told you I was running out of everything, so I needed to do laundry. Pajamas, shirts, and shorts, which I don't have any left. Actually, that's all that's left of pajamas. Khaki shorts, which actually I have like 10 pairs of, and that's all that's left. And then these are my sweatpants. So I have 2 closets because I have the room to myself. So this is where I keep all my short sleeve shirts. So like my short sleeve, like nicer t-shirts are here. Then I have my button down shirts that are short sleeve. And then this here are my like gym clothes. So when I go to work out, that is what I wear. So everything's organized, and I do them by color as well. These are like breakfast foods. These are where I keep like lunches and canned goods and that kind of thing. And these are chips. In here is where I keep extra like holiday and like seasonal decor for the room. Ties, more ties. And then these are my paper towels. Up top, I just have some like vitamins and medicines in case I need them, towels, hand towels and bath towels, and a beach towel for swimming, and all my cleaning supplies. And I have extra hangers. So when I use a shirt, I will take the hanger and I will put it here. So when I'm hanging clothes up, I have an extra hangers. And then this is my my second closet, and this is where I keep my dress shirts because I do student teach this year, so I just have some nicer clothes, my long sleeve flannels, pants, jeans, all that good stuff. And my shoes are kept up there. And then these are all my bags. That is bulletin board paper for being an RA. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It's kind of more vloggy kind of style of video. So the editing is probably not as good. But if you want to see more from me, hit that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell. That way you are notified every single time I upload a video. I try to upload organization videos and school videos and different things like that. So again, if you are interested and you want to see more from me, hit that red subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the near future. Bye.